Hey, so it's the time to take up the solution for the next question, that is question number 18. So here we are given this figure. Let's read for more clarification. This says refer the adjacent circuit, the voltmeter reads 117 volt and ammeter reads 0.13 ampere. If the resistance of voltmeter and ammeter are 9 kilo ohm and 0.015 kilo ohm respectively, the value of R is. See here, we are given here the reading of this voltmeter, that is 117 volt. I can write here. Okay. We are also given the resistance of this voltmeter, that is 9 kilo ohm. It means this is 9000 ohm. Now, can you find out the current that is withdrawn by this voltmeter from the circuit? Obviously, you can by using Ohm's law. And when you will apply Ohm's law here, you can clearly find out the current flowing through this voltmeter, and that will come out to be 0.013 ampere. Now, we are also given that what is the current that is flowing through this ammeter, and that's 0.13 ampere. So, the current flowing through this ammeter is 0.13 ampere. So, if you just subtract this 0.013 ampere from 0.13 ampere, you will get the current flowing through this resistor R, and that will come out to be 0.117 ampere. Now, the voltmeter reading is 117 volt, that is going to be same for this R also, as they are connected in parallel. So, this will be 117 volt. You got the current flowing through R, you know the potential drop across this resistor R. So, you can simply find out the value of R by applying Ohm's law, and that comes out to be 117 divided by 0.117, and this gives you R as 1000 ohm, that is 1 kilo ohm. So, which option is the correct option if you have a look at the options? That is option B. So, I hope this question is also very clear to you. Correct answer for this question is option B. Now, let us quickly move on to the discussion for the next question. Hey, so here we have this next question, that is question number 19 on the board. This says a bar magnet is allowed to fall freely from the same height towards a current carrying loop along its axis as shown in the 4 situation 1 to 4. Arrows shows direction of the conventional current. Choose the situations in which the potential energy of the magnet coil interaction is maximum. So, just underline this statement, this is very important. We need to choose the situations in which the potential energy of the magnet coil interaction will be maximum. And do remember this, that potential energy will be maximum when there is going to be the repulsive force between the coil and the magnet. Now, see here, in this case, that is in situation 1, what is the direction of the current? That is clockwise. In this case, what is going to be the polarity that will be developed here? Come on, that is going to be clockwise. For clockwise, it is south. In this case again, south polarity will be developed. In this case, north polarity will be developed. In this case also, north polarity will be developed. And as I have told you, potential energy will be maximum for the repulsive interaction between the coil and the magnet. And repulsive interaction is only in case 1 and in case 4. So, which option is the correct option? That is option B. So, I can simply mark it that this option is the correct option. So, I hope this question is also very clear to you. Now, let us quickly move on to the solution for the next question. Hey, so here we have the last question of a physics section on the board, that is question number 20. This says a beaker is completely filled with water at 4 degrees Celsius. Consider the following statements. Water will overflow if the beaker is cooled for some time. Statement 2 says water will overflow if the beaker is heated for some time. Select the correct option regarding 1 and 2. So, we just need to find out that which of the 2 statement is correct, or both are correct or both are false. So here we are given that beaker is completely filled with water at 4 degrees Celsius, and I hope you know the fact that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature will decrease from 4 degrees Celsius, the density is going to decrease. If the temperature will increase above 4 degrees Celsius, the density is again going to decrease. And density is inversely proportional to the volume. So if density will decrease, what is going to happen? Volume will increase, and hence water will overflow. It doesn't matter whether you cool the beaker for some time or you heat the beaker for some time. So in both the cases, water is going to overflow, and hence both 1 and 2 are correct. So if you have a look at the options, you can clearly see here that option C is the correct option. So I hope this question is also very clear to you. Correct answer for this question is option C. I hope all these video discussions are very clear to you, and these discussions were pretty helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and all the very best for your results.